Factorize the numerator and denominator. So x square plus 4x minus 12 can be factorized as, factorize this, x into x is x square, this 12 can be written as 3 4s are 12. There is a minor of order 3 which is not 0. Determinant of A is not equal to 0. Therefore, the rank of this matrix is equal to 3. Minus 85 plus 40. 85 minus 40 is minus 45. Lambda is equal to 0. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of Mathematical Foundation class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty Department of Computer Science, Vidhyaashram, First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are discussing regarding the model question paper of Mathematical Foundation. In the previous classes, we have discussed it regarding 2 mark questions, 8 marks question, 6 marks question. And today I am going to discuss one last question for 6 marks. That is one full question. That is question number 15, which contains A, B, 6 plus 6, 12 marks, or the choice for that is C and D, which also contains 6 plus 6, 12 marks. So this entire chapter is based on the last unit, that is derivatives, as well as finding the rank and the eigenvalues. Now let us come to the first problem. What is the first problem? 15a. If f of x is equal to x cube and g of x is equal to x to the power of 4, find d by dx of f of x into g of x. Very simple problem, very easiest to get 6 marks from this. So what is given? F of x, given f of x is equal to x cube and g of x is equal to x to the power of 4. Now what is to find? To find d by dx of f of x into g of x. This is to be determined. Now d by dx of f of x is nothing but this is a product rule. So you can apply the product rule for this. First function f of x into d by dx of second function plus second function into d by dx of f of x. That's all. First function into differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first function. What is the first function here? X cube. This is nothing but d by dx of x cube into x to the power of 4. What is the first function? X cube into d by dx of second function x to the power of 4 plus second function x to the power of 4 into d by dx of f of x, that is nothing but x cube. First function into differentiation of second plus second function into differentiation of first function. So therefore this can be written as dy by dx is equal to x cube into, you know the derivative, d by dx of x to the power of n is n x to the power of n minus 1. So this can be written as x to the power of 4. What is n? N is 4. 4x to the power of 4 minus 1 is 3 plus x to the power of 4 constant and differentiation of x cube, n is 3, x to the power of 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is nothing but x cube into 4x cube plus x to the power of 4 into 3x square. So this can be written as 4 into x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 3. Law of indices, x to the power of 3 plus 3 is 6 plus this is 3 into x to the power of 4 plus 2 is, so totally we can write 4 plus 3, this is equal to 7 times x power 6. That's it. The differentiated answer for this is 7 times x to the power of 6. This is one method to solve this. Or the other method, easiest method is or you can also solve like this. What is given? D by dx of f of x into g of x. So this is nothing but d by dx of f of x is x cube and g of x is x to the power of 4. So this is d by dx of, you can simplify this. X, law of indices, a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. X to the power of 3 into x to the power of 4 is 3 plus 4 is 7. Simplify this. Apply the formula. What is n? N is 7 x to the power of 7 minus 1. That is 7 x power 6. See the answer? The answer is one and the same. 7 x power 6. You can do this method or that method. Easily you will get a 6 marks for this. Hope you followed. Okay? Very simple problem. So here this is product rule. That's it. Now move on to the next problem. What is the next problem? This is from limits. Evaluate or solve limit x tends to 2 of x square plus 4x minus 12 divided by x square minus 2x. 4 marks for first one. And Second one, limit x tends to 2 of 8 minus 3x plus 12x square. This is a question of 6 marks. So each carries 3 marks. 3 plus 3, that's equal to 6. Now here the first one, what is the first problem? Limit x tends to 2 of, let me take first one, limit x tends to 2 of x square plus 4x minus 12, x square plus 4x minus 12 divided by x square minus 2x. So if you put x is equal to 2, by putting x is equal to 2, what you will get? 2 square is 4 plus 4 into 2 is 8 minus 12 divided by 2 square is 4, 2 into 2 is 4. So you will get 12 minus 12 divided by 4 minus 4, that is 0 by 0 form is obtained. So which is an indeterminate form. So therefore factorize the numerator and denominator. So x square plus 4x minus 12 can be factorized as, factorize this, x into x is x square, this 12 can be written as 3 4s are 12, right, 3 4s are 12. So let us factorize the numerator and denominator separately. So what is the numerator? X square plus 4x minus 12. Now here this can be written as, the factors are x into x, this can be written as 6 2s are 12. 6 plus 4 is 8, we won't get, 6 minus 4 is 2, so this is plus and minus. The factors are x plus 6 into x minus 2. See, 6 2s are 12 minus 12, again plus 6x minus 2x is plus 4x. So this can be written as limit x tends to 2 of the numerator, factors for the numerators are x plus 6 into x minus 2 divided by, in the denominator you can take x common factor, then what you will get? X into x minus 2. Cancel the terms which gets cancelled. Here x minus 2 gets cancelled. What is left over is limit x tends to 2 of, in the numerator we have x plus 6, in the denominator x. Now put x is equal to 2. If we put x is equal to 2, what you will get? 2 plus 6 divided by 2, that is 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So the simplified answer is 4. That's it. Very simple problem. See here, if you do this much, you will get 3 marks for this. What is the problem given? So by putting x is equal to 2, you will get 0 by 0, which is an indeterminate form. Now factorize the numerator. Numerator x square plus 4x minus 12 can be written as x into x is x square, 6 2s are 12, plus into minus minus 12, plus 6x minus 2x is plus 4x. Therefore the factors are x plus 6 into x minus 2, x plus 6 into x minus 2. In the denominator we can take x common factor, x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2 gets cancelled, x plus 6 divided by x. Put x is equal to 2, you will get 2 plus 6 divided by 2, 8 by 2 is equal to 4, which is a simplified answer. Now move on to the second part of this problem. What is the second part? Limit x tends to 2 of, second one, limit x tends to 2 of 8 minus 3x, 8 minus 3x plus 12x square. This is the second part. Here also same, put x is equal to 2. Now if you put x is equal to 2, put x is equal to 2, then this is 8 minus 3 into 2 plus 12 into 2 square. 8 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 12 into 2 square is 4. So 8 minus 6 is 2 plus 12 4s are 48. 48 plus 2 is equal to 50. That's it. So the value of this limit is equal to 50. Very simple. Okay. See, put x is equal to 2. If you put x is equal to 2, 8 minus 3 into 2 plus 12 into 2 square. So 8 minus 3 2s are 6, 12 into 2 square is 4, 12 4s are 48, 8 minus 6 is 2 plus 48 is equal to 50. So if you do this much, definitely you will get 6 marks. 3 plus 3, the first one is 6 marks, this is 6 marks. So easily you will get 12 marks from this question. Okay, very simple concept, right? Now move on to the next problem. Now the choice question, 15C. What is 15C? Find the rank of the matrix A 3 4 2 1 5 minus 1 2 4 and 6. So just verify here what is the order. The order of this matrix is 3 rows 3 columns. So the order is equal to 3 into 3, 3 rows 3 columns. So that means the rank of the matrix A is less than or equal to 3. So just find out the determinant of this. Determinant of this matrix, verify the value of a determinant whether that is equal to 0 or not. Now let us find out, let us represent this as A. A matrix A is equal to 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, then 1, 5, minus 1, 1, 5, minus 1, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. So, the order of this matrix is 3 cross 3. Therefore, the rank of this matrix is less than or equal to 3. Now, find out the determinant of this. So, write down the determinant 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, minus 1 and 2, 4, 6. Expand plus, minus and plus. So, what is this equal? This is equal to 3 into this row column is gone, 5, minus 1, 4, 6, again minus 4 into, delete this row and column, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2, 6, again plus 2 into, this row and column is deleted, 1, 5, 2, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4. So, this is equal to 3 into 5, 6 are 30, minus into minus plus 4, minus 4 into 1, 6 are 6, plus 2 1s are 2, plus 2 into 1 4s are 4, minus 5 2s are 10. So, this is equal to 3 into 34, minus 4 into 8, plus 2 into minus 6. 34 into 3, 102, this is 102, 8 4s are 32, minus 6 2s are 12. So, this is 102 minus 44, right? That is nothing but 58. So, 58. The value of this determinant is 58, not equal to 0. This is not equal to 0. That means there is a minor of order 3 which is not equal to 0. The minor of order, the minor of order 3 which is not equal to 0, which is not 0. So, therefore, the rank of the matrix, rank of A is equal to 3. That is, the rank of this matrix, rank of the matrix A is equal to 3. That's it. So, if you do this much, definitely you will get a 6 marks. Okay. So, there is a minor of order 3 which is not 0. Determinant of A is not equal to 0. Therefore, the rank of this matrix is equal to 3. Now, move on to the next problem. This is also a very important problem. Find the eigenvalue for the following matrix using Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Very important problem. So, using Cayley-Hamilton theorem, find out the eigenvalues. Now, just very simple, let us consider this as A. Let the given matrix A is equal to, what is A? 8 minus 6, 2, 8 minus 6, 2, then minus 6, 7 minus 4, minus 6, 7 minus 4, 2 minus 4 and 3, 2 minus 4 and 3. Now, let us write down the characteristics equation. The characteristics equation is A minus lambda I. What is this A minus lambda I? A, what is A given matrix? 8 minus 6, 2, minus 6, 7, minus 4, 2, minus 4 and 3, minus lambda into I means identity matrix of order 3 rows 3 column 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So, this is equal to, simplify this, 8 minus 6, 2, minus 6, 7, minus 4, 2, minus 4 and 3, multiply by lambda. So, lambda 0, 0, 0, lambda 0, 0, 0, lambda. Now, subtract this, A minus lambda, 8 minus lambda, 8 minus lambda, remaining are same, minus 6 and 2, and minus 6 minus 0 is minus 6, again 7 minus lambda, only diagonal elements will change, 7 minus lambda, minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4, 2, then minus 4, and again 3 minus lambda. That's it. So, only the diagonal elements will changes, 8 minus lambda, 7 minus lambda and 3 minus lambda. Now, to find the eigenvalues, equate this. So, now determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0 is the characteristics roots. Characteristics roots. So, to find the characteristics root, Determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0. Equate the determinant to 0. What is determinant of this? 8 minus lambda. 8 minus lambda is minus 6 minus 2. Then second row, second column, minus 6, 7 minus lambda, minus 4, then 2 minus 4, then 3 minus lambda is equal to 0. Expand this, plus, minus and plus. So that is 8 minus lambda into, multiply this to 7 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda, minus into minus plus, 4 4s are 16. Again minus into minus plus, 6 into this row and column is gone, minus 6 into 3 minus lambda, minus into minus plus, 2 4s are 8. Again plus 2 into this row column is gone, 6 4s are 24, plus 24, minus 2 into 7 minus lambda is equal to 0. This is the characteristics equation, right? So to find the characteristic roots, just equate this to 0. So then what we will get? 8 minus lambda into, multiply this, 7 3s are 21, minus 7 lambda, minus 3 lambda, minus into minus plus lambda square, minus 16, plus 6 into, multiply this, minus 6 3s are 18, minus into minus plus 6 lambda, plus 18, plus 8, plus 2 into 24 minus 7 2s are 14, minus into minus plus 2 lambda is equal to 0. Now what is this equal to? 8 minus lambda into, put it in order, lambda square, minus 10 lambda, again 21 minus 16, 21 minus 16 is plus 5, plus 6 into, here it is 6 lambda, minus 18 plus 10 is minus 10, plus 2 into 2 lambda, again 24 minus 10 is plus 10 is equal to 0. Now simplify this, now multiply by 8. So 8 lambda square, 80 lambda, plus 8 into 5 is 40, again multiply by minus lambda, lambda into lambda square is lambda cube, minus into minus plus 10 lambda square, minus into plus it is minus 5 lambda, plus 6 6 are 36 lambda, minus 60, again plus 2 2s are 4 lambda, plus 2 10s are 20 is equal to 0. Now simplify, you will get the answer. Minus lambda cube, write down minus lambda cube, and lambda square, 8 lambda square, 10 lambda square, 8 plus 10 is 18 lambda square. Now lambda term, how many lambda? Minus 8 lambda, then minus 5 minus 6. Yes. So let us cancel the terms which gets cancelled. Anything gets cancelled? No. Minus 8 lambda, then minus 5 lambda, minus 8 minus 5 is minus 85 times lambda, and positive terms 36 plus 4, 36 plus 4 is 40, plus 40 times lambda, then constant 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 20, 60, 60 minus 60 is equal to 0, minus 60 plus 60 gets cancelled. So what we have here? So we have minus lambda cube plus 18 lambda square, minus 85 plus 40, 85 minus 40 is minus 45 lambda is equal to 0. Now multiply by negative side. If you multiply by negative side, we will get lambda cube minus 18 lambda square plus 45 lambda is equal to 0. This is the characteristics equation. If we solve this, we are going to get the roots. They are called as characteristics roots or eigenvalues. That's it. Okay. Hope you followed. See, just simplify. So we are going to get lambda cube minus 18 lambda square plus 45 lambda is equal to 0. Right. Now, how to solve this? Now, let us substitute this. Now, come to the, therefore, the characteristics equation is, therefore, the characteristics equation is, how much we got? Lambda cube minus 18 lambda square, lambda cube minus 18 lambda square plus 45 plus 45 lambda is equal to 0. Now solve this. So if you solve this, so you can take lambda common factor, then this is lambda square minus 18 lambda plus 45 is equal to 0. So this is lambda is equal to 0 and lambda square minus 18 lambda plus 45 is equal to 0. Factorize this. So this can be as lambda into lambda. 45 can be factorized as 15 threes are 45. So both are negative, minus and minus, minus into minus plus. So therefore lambda is equal to 0 and the factors are lambda minus 3 and lambda minus 15 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 0 or lambda is equal to 3 and lambda is equal to 15. So therefore lambda is equal to 0 or lambda is equal to 3 and lambda is equal to 15 are the eigenvalues. These are the eigenvalues. So what are the eigenvalues? Therefore the eigenvalues for this matrix is, therefore lambda is equal to 0, 3, 15 are the eigenvalues. These are called the eigenvalues. Very simple. See here, just take lambda common factor, lambda into lambda square minus 18 lambda plus 45 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Factorize it. 15 3s are 45, minus into minus plus. The factors are lambda minus 3 into lambda minus 15. So lambda minus 3 is equal to 0 means lambda is equal to 3. Lambda minus 15 is equal to 0 means lambda is equal to 15. That is, if lambda minus 3 is equal to 0 means lambda is equal to 3. Lambda minus 15 is equal to 0 means, which implies lambda is equal to 15. So therefore 0, 3, 15 are the eigenvalues, or they are also called as the characteristics roots for the given equation. This is very important type. You may expect this type of question for 6 marks. Sometimes you may also expect the same question for 8 marks also. Okay, hope you followed, right? So this is how we are going to solve this problem, right? So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.